Exercise 5G, solutions of exponential equations using logarithms. So today we're learning about solving exponential equations and logarithmic equations. What you need to be able to do is determine the appropriate algebraic tool to rearrange an equation, utilize exponential logarithmic laws to then solve for x. So we've got an exponential equation. Usually the best way to do it is to make the bases the same. However, we obviously can't write 22 as a base of 2, so we need to use our log laws. The log laws would be to take the 2 over, we'd take the log 2 of both sides. So log 2 of 2 is just 1, and that'll leave over 2x minus 1, and it'll be log 2 of 22 on this side. Now we can rearrange to get x by itself, so that means that I can take the 1 over by adding it, and then I'll divide everything by 2. So that is the answer. However, it does ask us to do it to 3 decimal places. So you just need to go ahead and type that into your calculator. When you do, you'll get x is equal to 2.729716 and so on. We need to just round it off to 3 decimal places. So that'll be 2.7, and then the 9 will affect the 3, of course. But because we need to write it to 3 decimal places, we can write it as 2.730. Now, very similar in this case, this time we've got an inequality, but it acts the same. Remember to just flip your sign if you divide or multiply by a negative. So to take the 2 over, once again, I'm going to take the log of both sides. We will add 1, and then we will divide by a half. So everything is exactly the same. We then need to then type that into our calculator, and you'll get 2.29248, so on. To round that off to 3, that will just be 292.